Okay, let's look at 3-9. So 3-9, we got a 40 cubic foot tank filled with air at 14.7 psi, and T is equal to 80 Fahrenheit. The tank contains a piece of dry ice in there, and it's 15-pound block of dry ice, and its specific gravity based on water is equal to 1.53. So with time, this guy is going to sublimate, so the solid is going to turn into CO2 gas. So volume doesn't change. However, volume kind of does change because that solid goes away and becomes gas. And then we get an air CO2 mixture. That air CO2 mixture ends up having a temperature of 30 degrees Fahrenheit. And the question is, what is the final pressure P2 here? Assuming ideal behavior. So we basically have to calculate a few different things. Step one is volume of the solid CO2. And so we know we got a 15-pound block, 15 pounds, and we're going to divide that time by specific 16.4 pounds per cubic foot of water times specific gravity, 1.53, right? So if we calculate that out, we get approximately 0.16 cubic feet for this dry ice up here is our volume. The initial volume of air can then be calculated as 40, which is this, minus that 0.16. That's going to equal to 39.84 cubic feet of air around this solid. So looking at PV equals nRT for this system, for the air that's in there, we're trying to reconvert, we're really trying to calculate N. So N equals PV over RT, so 14.7 times 39.84 divided by 10.732 times temperature is 80 plus 460 equals 540 Rankine. So 540 Rankine. So N, if we run that calculation, equals 0.101 pound moles of air. So now, when we chill this down, so T drops down to 30 Fahrenheit, which is 490 R. We can do the calculation. We know how many moles of air we got. So now we need to look at the mixture. The mixture is going to be that 0.101 plus, there's 15 pounds of CO2. CO2 gas is 44 pounds per mole. So that's going to give us 0.442 pound mole of mixture. And then we can plug that in. The volume stays 40. We know the volume stays 40. So we're trying to calculate P equals nRT over V. So N is 0.442 of the mixture, 10.732. 490 is the new temperature. We divide that by 40 as our volume. That's going to give us a P of 58.12 psi, which is your answer.